Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great because I am extremely happy and overwhelmed, and I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for being a part of my family, and I am so grateful that you have subscribed to my channel and made it possible for me to hit 100 subscribers. Now, since we're a family of 100 people, I am so excited to share with you more looks that you guys are interested in. So please don't forget to let me know in the comment section down below what other things and content you are looking for. And I would be happy to create those looks and other things for you as well. And I would be extremely thankful to you for subscribing. Again, I'm just repeating this because I am extremely thankful for you guys to subscribe to my channel and to like my content. I just want to share with you that this journey so far has been so challenging and difficult for me. It does take a lot of effort, as you guys know, and it does involve a lot of time and effort. But being a mom and taking out the time to shoot and film for you guys and creating different looks for you guys has been extremely challenging, yet I love doing this. So I am extremely grateful for you to like my content and the looks that I create for you guys. Since I don't want to just continuously repeat me thanking you again and again, let us just end this video with a big thank you note. And I am extremely grateful for you guys to subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to like, share and comment in this video what other things you would like to see on my channel. Also, please, I would like to share my channel with your friends and relatives. Maybe I am able to help them in every or any way possible. So please share my content with your friends and family, and I will see you every week, as I always upload a video every week, and I will see you every week in my next video. Till then, take care and thank you so very much for watching.